Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the baseline, activate System Dark Mode, and open each app to its dark theme. Once done, set your display brightness to about 30–40% so black levels read as true dark, not washed gray. Make sure adaptive or auto brightness is disabled because it fights a consistent dark appearance. Also disable blue light filters temporarily. They can shift blacks toward brown or gray. These actions set the conditions you need before deeper contrast and color tweaks. Next, adjust contrast and color math to deepen actual blacks. You should enable a high contrast dark preset if available, because it boosts luminance difference between text and backgrounds. Then lower the gamma slightly. This darkens midtones and makes blacks look richer. Make small steps and preview. If you have an OLED, choose an OLED-optimized profile or set pixel dimming off to avoid gray wash. Once you finish, test with mixed content to ensure legibility stays intact. To finalize, calibrate with a known test image and inspect pure black blocks versus near black gradients. This confirms your changes. Then apply per-app overrides where elements still appear light. Many apps keep independent themes. Once everything looks right, restart the device to cement settings. If things go wrong, restore color settings one step at a time. If artifacts or banding appear, revert gamma adjustments or reset to the display profile and reapply changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.